Hello and welcome to StarTechies. In this video, I will show you how to add two-factor authentication to your WordPress site to make it more secure. As you know, two-factor authentication add an extra layer of protection to your WordPress site, making sure even if someone knows your password, they will still need another code to log into your WordPress site, as it is a simple but powerful way to secure your WordPress site in just few minutes. So let's get started. In this tutorial, we will use two plugins which are mostly free and which will protect your website from all the spammers and the hackers. So first plugin is Solid Security and second is Wordfence. So I will recommend Solid Security. So I will start by showing you how to enable two-factor authentication with that plugin. So let's get started with Solid Security method. Now we will access our WordPress dashboard. As we are on our WordPress dashboard, on the left hand corner, click on Plugins and Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type Solid Security. On the first result, you will see Solid Security. Just install it and activate it. Once it is activated, scroll down to your plugin list and find Solid Security. Click on Settings. In this video, I will only set up a two-factor authentication through this Solid Security. So I will not be making any other settings with this plugin. So I will just follow this basic initial setup. Just click on Next. I'm just skipping all this part. Here you have to enable two-factor and just click on Next. You can select other settings as per your need. So I'm just doing it my way so that I can simply show you the two-factor settings here. Here you need to click on User Security, select the username. Now go to your user profile, just scroll down and enable two-factor authentication. Once it is done, it will redirect you to the two-factor setup. Here you have the methods, three methods which is there. I will select the email, mobile app and backup codes. Backup codes are more important. You just need to download it. In case if you forgot or you do not have access to your phone to put the code, you can simply use these backup codes. So here we will set up the mobile app. It will generate a QR code. You need to scan this QR code using any authenticator app. Once it is scanned, it will give you the code on your authenticator app. You just need to click on Next and put this code here. Now here I just put the code and you can see that mobile authenticator app is also enabled. Now click on Continue and Finish. Here two-factor authentication is successfully set up. Now we will check and verify it. Log out from your dashboard and here I'm just typing the username. Here you can see that it is asking for the code. Open your authenticator app again, look for the code, put the code in this box and click on Authenticate. Here we go. Method 2. Setting up two-factor authentication using Wordfence. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. In the search box, type Wordfence. First result, you will see Wordfence Security, Firewall, Malware Scan and Login Security. Just install it and activate it. Once it is activated, it will redirect you to the dashboard and the Wordfence setup. So here you have to put your license key. So let's get your license key, which will be the free. So here we will go for the free license key. Click on Get Free License. Here select the I'm happy with the free one. Put your email address and register. Once it is successfully registered, it will give you a license key on your email. You can also grab it from here if you did not receive any email. So this is the step. So here I copied my license key and here click enter your license key manually. I just pasted my license key, put the same email address. Click on Activate License. Here the free license is activated. Go to the dashboard I'm just closing this out as I'm not going to set up each and every feature here. I will go with the login security only. Click on login security. Here you can see that it has two-factor authentication. Close this out. In the two-factor authentication, you will see a QR code. You can scan this QR code using your Authenticator app. You can use either Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. Once the code is scanned, it will add a new account on your Authenticator. Here, don't forget to download the recovery backup codes. Check for the code which is showing on your Authenticator app. Put the code here and click on activate. That's it. Your Wordfence two-factor authentication is activated. Now we will go ahead and log out and verify it if it is working or not. So here I'm logging with my username and the password, and here you can see that it is asking for Wordfence two-factor authentication code. Go back and check your Authenticator app for the code. There will be a 6-digit code, and just put the code here and click on login. Here we go. We are successfully logged in and we are back to our dashboard. So in this video, we have successfully set up two-factor authentication using 2 plugins. So you have to use only one plugin at a time. Thank you. Thank you for watching. For more upcoming videos, please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future notifications.